Hey y'all, here's a quick tip. I have a Linked Electric Mig Pak 140 and I was getting a bunch of the welding wire was jamming up in the liner. So I took off the gun and I'm going to show you what I found. I had a broken O-ring, so I was getting some pretty terrible welds there. I was getting a lot of slag buildup. So what I did was tried to find the part number, which found difficult in Canada there. So I found an alternative there. These are plumbing washers, but they should work the same. They're exactly the same diameter and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these and clean it all up, put the new washers on, and then give it a little light grease with some silicone lubricating grease. And two things should happen. Number one, I should get better welds, and number two, when I plug it back into the machine, it should be straight, and the wire shouldn't be bunching up as much. All right. So here we are. We got those new rings on there. Just a little bit of silicone lubricant. Here's those part numbers again, if you're looking for the parts, and then this being the alternative part number. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install this back onto our welding machine. Now we're going to go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so make sure all your your wire spool is not over tightened, and don't over tighten this the feed. I'm gonna plug the gun in, tighten it up, turn it on. I like to make sure that the gun is all spooled out. occasionally check to see that it isn't jamming up in there. Seems all right, and I can feel it in the hose. And here she comes. All right. We're just going to cut her off. We're going to put our tip on. Make sure that tip is tight on, and now you can put your outer tip on. And those just need to be hand tightened. Just cut your wire, and now my welding should be a lot better. All right, happy welding.